We are still the only ones. So today we've got a private boat tour. We get to choose our own foods. We're at the wet market here in Coron, just by the port. It's like a 3-minute walk, not even. So we're gonna head into the market now, see what they got. So we got Ronnie with us. He's helping us get our food sorted, which is quite nice. But you see the market here, live in effect. Okay guys, so we got our fish, we got our pork. Now we're gonna get some hipon, which is shrimp. And ano to, bangos?
Yep.
Yes.
Look at how fresh this stuff is. We're literally getting everything, even charcoal, all of the food and barbecue it. It's such an experience, it's wild. Manga?
Manga. Manga ka.
Is it sweet, matamis? Getting all your food and just choosing everything that you want? It's gonna be wicked. Our boat, our bangka, is coming and it's just behind us here. Let's see it. Ronnie, you have been absolutely amazing helping us get food from the wet market today. So since we're on a private tour, you gotta do everything privately. Buy your food, pay for your boat, hire your crew, pay for entrance fees. Yeah, it's part of the tour, but you get to have your flexibility, chill out, and relax. We are at our first destination, Atawayan Beach. Nobody's here but locals, me, and Flo. Like, what is this place? Honestly, love the Philippines. We're gonna grab some buko, which is coconut. Gonna get 2 for our guides, our captain and his assistant. And just chill out, drink some coconuts, catch some sun, live life. Apat ng buko. Oh, apat. Salamat ha. Get 4 coconuts with our man here with the machete. Fresh. 50 pesos each. Good. Wow, these are heavy. Jeez. I don't know if I could hold these both in my hand. Oh, spilled a little bit. Oh my god. I need to work out more. Just giving these guys some coconuts. Kuya! Okay lang, man. No worries. Guys, we have been at Atawayan Beach now for about 40 minutes or so. Tour guides are starting to cook up a storm for us to get ready to have some lunch in a couple hours probably. But I mean, as I said before, Flo and I are the only ones here. We are still the only ones on this island, on this beach. The rest are just locals. I really don't think you can get this anywhere else in the world. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't experienced it myself. There's always usually some tourists on a beach. Obviously, it's, you know, not a public beach, but you still pay an entrance fee. It's 150 pesos for each place you go to if you're doing a private tour. If you do one that's obviously with other people, it'll be included in the price. But yeah, I mean, we're just chilling, just taking everything all in. It's more fun in the Philippines. Love the Philippines, always. Like, guys, incredible. What we're gonna do today is just go along this coastline here of islands towards Coron proper, the town. It's a really good way to do that because we're at Atawayan Beach right now. The sun is literally hitting us and it's gonna come with us along the way. So it's the right way to do it. You'll get the itinerary when we finish this vlog. Guys, we are at our second destination. It is called Sunset Lagoon. Jesus Christ. Never seen anything like it. But supposedly there is a secret beach that you need to swim underneath these limestone cliffs to get to. We might try it. Give it a go. What is this place? Seriously. It's just crazy. Okay, we're going to find the secret lagoon. Secret lagoon, Kuya? Secret cave. Secret. We're going to find Victoria's Secret. It's very malamigs. Righty-ho. We are going on an adventure. We are at, I keep forgetting these names. Sunset Lagoon. We're going to Secret Lagoon, I guess, which is somewhere that location there. Yes. We are in paradise. Honestly, what is this place? I don't know. Let's roll out. You don't need a snorkel here. It's very shallow. So we're going through the secret cave here. Yeah, it's pretty chill. Whoa. Huge lizard. Okay guys, so this is the secret cave. Pretty secret. There's not much here really besides incredible limestone. I don't know. It's just pretty nuts. Like this here is just hanging. This is probably dripped for over thousands of years easily. We just came out of the drink and they prepared our lunch on the boat, which is so much nicer because the other stops on the islands are packed with people obviously having lunch, which is fair enough. But if you got a private boat, you might as well enjoy the extra, what's the word? Amenities maybe, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna eat, we're gonna dig in. Soy sauce, tomatoes, onions, garlic, calamansi, Filipino lime. We got bangus, my favorite milkfish, stuffed with veg as well. We have another fish, I can't remember its name. We got crabs. And we got hipon. And then we got our yellow watermelon. So all of this stuff you saw earlier from the wet market, now it's ready to eat. If you haven't tried Filipino food before, you need to try it. From hearing people say that Filipino food wasn't the best, but honestly, there you go. Like, it's simple but super flavorful. Like this shrimp, this hipon, so basic, but The juices, oh, so good. Look at our view behind us too. What is this place? Her first yellow watermelon. Drop? Yeah. Oh, too many people, but no. We just finished at Sunset Lagoon. Stayed there for 3 hours, maybe? That place is so peaceful. Barely anybody came in. We had it all to ourselves. You're just chilling. We had our lunch. Incredible. So yeah, we're just going along the coastline here. You pass by many, many different beaches. But no beach is packed at the moment. So we adapt, we adjust, and we're heading to Smith Beach. Incredible beauty. Don't mind the Insta360 stick. I'm not sponsored. Rock formations here are unreal, like unreal. Okay, we're gonna take you along the beach here. Okay, we're done. It's literally 20 meters, not even. It's very, very short. But it's a beautiful beach. The sun is hitting bang on the beach. It is beautiful, really cute beach. It's all you need, nice and small. Right, we're gonna chill out for a bit, get some sun, just enjoy life. Smith Beach. We're now heading to Twin Lagoon. My bros, Bernard and Joy. These guys have been absolutely amazing. If you need a private tour, I'll hook up with his number. I can't even speak English. I will hook up. I will hook you up with his number down below. And just support the locals, man. You know, trying to make a grind. And this is their country, the Philippines, and they're lovely people. Thank you for everything. Salamat pareha. Salamat, kuya. Thank you for everything today. Really appreciate it. It was awesome, guys. Kuya Bernard, and this is Twin Lagoon. And I don't want to fall. We're gonna get some drinks here. I've been craving Coke all day. So, opo. Zero. Chips, you want prawn cracker? No. Beer? Ano, Red Horse? Red Horse. Happy Horse? Yes. Okay. Tatlo ng Coke Zero. Dalawa ng Red Horse po. Dalawa. Salamat. Salamat. Okay. 60. Salamat, kuya, ha? Mayroon po sana, ma'am. Salamat. I love it when you buy my favorite beer on earth. Happy Horse. Makes you happy. Makes me happy. Okay, one for kuya. Now we are happy kuyas, not happy horses. Okay, kuya, cheers tayo. Cheers. 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 Flow. Cheers. We have landed in our destination. Beautiful. Look at all these damn palm trees. Like what we came here for. My favorite tree.